Hello folks, Samsung is finally allowing more Galaxy smartphone and tablet users to experience One UI 7.0. No, it is not doing that by releasing this stable update to existing devices. Instead, it is expanding the One UI 7.0 beta program to more devices. So, when will it be available? The One UI 7.0 beta program will expand to the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 on March 6, 2025. Before the end of this month, March, the One UI 7.0 beta update will be released to more devices including the Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy Tab S10 series and even the Galaxy A55. Samsung also announced that the stable version of One 7.0 will start rolling out early next month. While it didn't reveal whether it will be a phased rollout or if the update will be released to all eligible devices simultaneously, it is likely the former. The update could be released to all eligible devices before the end of the second quarter of this year. The Galaxy S24 series was the first to get access to the One UI 7.0 beta update. The update arrived in December, and in the next few weeks, Samsung released more beta updates to fix bugs and to improve performance and stability. Once the One UI 7 beta program becomes available for your device in your region, eligible countries include India, the UK, Korea, and the US. You will have the option of signing up through the Samsung Members app. One UI 7.0 brings a massive design overhaul featuring a new quick panel UI, new animations and transitions, new iconography and now bar that shows ongoing activities. It also brings a completely redesigned camera app which makes it easier to access all the controls with a single hand. There is a new battery icon and new battery charging animations. Last year, Samsung released two wireless earbud models and neither were what we would call budget offerings. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are the most premium wireless earbuds Samsung's ever made, and the Buds 3 are a cheaper yet not quite budget alternative to the Pro. By the way, if you missed my Galaxy Buds 3 Pro review, check the previous video on the channel. Today, we are happy to share that Samsung plans to release a real budget solution to replace the Galaxy Buds FE. 2023. Galaxy Club have found evidence of the development of the Galaxy Buds FE2 earbuds and their firmware. That's a tentative name, but the new earbuds in question carry model number SMR410. The original Galaxy Buds FE earbuds are known as SMR400. Given these similar model numbers, it stands to reason that the SMR410 earbuds are a direct sequel to the 2023 Fan Edition Buds. Specifications are unknown at the moment, so it will be interesting to see if the Galaxy Buds FE2 will borrow the new Buds 3 style design or carry on with the original vision. The existing Galaxy Buds FE not only have the old carrying case design, but unlike other Samsung earbuds, they have exchangeable ear tips. Will the Buds FE2 retain this quality? We will have to wait and see. Anyway guys, I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.